Melanie Towle, Elevate Design Build.
Patrick Towle, and we're from Fort Worth, Texas.
It was really interesting. Darren had a really nice approach because under normal circumstances I would have hung up and said, thank you, have a nice day. But I was in a gracious mood that afternoon, and when I heard what he had to talk about, I thought it sounded really good for our company. And we were just at a point last year where we were looking to the future and working on our strategic plan, and thought that it would make a lot of sense. And then we could take 5 employees. I ran it by Patrick and Paul, and we all agreed that it was sort of a no-lose opportunity. So last year we had billed about $2,200 for design fees and nothing for any sort of PSA or pre-construction agreement. This year we've billed over $7,000 for PSA and over $43,000 for design and selection fees. So, big improvement.
I think one of the things he talked about was billing for our time. We simply were not billing for our time, and we have started doing that, and that has made a huge change in our organization. We did have one job where it was a repeat client, and we raised our margins, and we started charging for supervision, and they picked up on that right away. And we talked about it and talked about, trying to be profitable and how project management is an expense to the job, and they were okay with it and signed up, and we're going. I would say you don't have the time not to go. I would say already in the short time we've been part of it, the things we've implemented have completely changed the finances of our company.